Hey guys, happy Good Friday. As we are reflecting a little more today on Jesus' sacrifice, I wanted to make some brownies and share the experience with you guys. So I have on my ingredients here. We have salt, baking powder, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, vanilla essence, butter, and I have some extra walnuts here because my mom really likes nuts, so I'm gonna add in some nuts. And I have my mixer, but you could use a normal hand mixer. And I already prepared my pans. I cover them with foil and I also put some butter on it. If you have non-stick spray, you could spray it instead of buttering it, but I buttered it. And the oven is preheated at 350 degrees.